Hey everybody, we're at the Great Wolf Lodge in Sandusky, Ohio, and I'm going to be showing you the kid cabin suite. It comes either with a balcony or a patio. Okay, so let me show you around. So over to this side, you have the closet area, some extra bedding, you have hangers, you have an ironing board, then you have a luggage rack, and directly over here, and I have a toddler, so I am going to be keeping this door shut at all times. We just have the toilet, towels, just the basic bathtub, super cute shower curtain. Come on, buddy. Yeah, when you have a toddler, literally keep the bathroom door shut at all times. Okay. Okay, so this is looking straight into the room. The ceilings are crazy high. Look how high. It really does feel grand because of how high the ceiling is. So right outside the bathroom, you have the sink area with the hair dryer. And then of course you have the soap, shampoo, sanitizing wipe, all provided by Great Wolf Lodge. Over on this side, you have the fridge, the microwave, 2 garbage cans. You do have tissues that belong right here, but my toddler took them out. And then you have the coffee makers with the individual coffee cups. You have decaf and regular. I'm gonna save the kids area for last. So walking in, you have your dresser. You can see this is the little kids area. Look how cute these windows are. Or little cutouts, I should say. Look how cute. I'm saving the best for last, because that's the best part. It doesn't go up to the ceiling. You can see it just goes like halfway, not even halfway. Oh no, probably halfway or maybe even 3/4 up. But it's so cute. Okay, so we're coming into the room. Ignore the birthday plate. My kids. Okay, so we have the nice looking wooden dresser. We have a huge TV here. Lamp. We have a table, which was right here, but I shifted it over because my toddler, I'm not taking any chances of him pushing a button. This goes pretty easy. You can see that's all you need to do to pull open the door. So I'm like, you know what, we're just gonna keep it locked. I will show you out there, but I put the table there to prevent that one from going out. You have the curtain that pulls all the way across. You have the heat or air conditioning, and you don't control it here at first. I was like, oh, it doesn't work. What the heck? It doesn't work. But it does. And I'll show you. You have the, oh, you hear that sound? Do you hear that sound? Listen. Wonder who did that. Buddy. Okay, so you have the little end table. I love how it's all wooden. It's so cute. Look at how cute this is. You have the lights. You have the bed. And I don't know if all rooms are exactly the same for this room type. I'm sure there's probably variations depending. Oh my gosh. Okay, Mommy's gonna just disconnect the phone. I have no idea how many times he probably called the front desk. So you have the phone, another wooden table. You have this awesome little art piece, and you see what I mean? It doesn't touch the top like the wooden. You can't really tell this in the pictures, because when I was looking at the pictures, you really can't tell. So here we go into the room, the best part. Here's the best part. So it doesn't have an actual door, you see?
Hello.
But it has the cutout.
Hello.
Hello. So we have a bed over here, like a twin size bed over here. We have another bed here. And here is the top bunk. Look how cool that is. That is so cool. You have the ladder. But when you have a little one, gotta watch. Or remove the ladder. Then we have like a little desk with a chair. And we have a TV in their room. How cool is that? Also, if you're staying with a birthday package, their names, is this the one with their names? Can you put on?
I don't know.
Can you, how did you get the names?
It says Magic Plus.
Oh. Okay, so on channel 3 here, it's the Happy Birthday channel, and it plays all the people's names that are celebrating a birthday. I'm not going to show any to protect everybody's privacy, but it's at the bottom. You see the characters' happy birthday names right now are like scrolling across the bottom or flashing, and then it'll go off and another one comes on. But that is super cute. Okay, so I'm going to show you on the balcony. Like I showed you before, just like a little flip up. Each onto the balcony has 2 chairs, a little table. And it does have this privacy wall. It doesn't, go all the way up, but it goes mostly all the way up for your neighbor directly next to you. Of course, you can see your neighbor over here, down there, down there. We're on the top floor. It's a really pretty view. I don't know the other views that are at this hotel. The only thing, let me show you. Here, let's go up. Let's go in here. Okay. So there's a screen here that you could just have it open, and you can lock it here. Let me show you. You can lock it. Oh. Shut. Lock. Okay. So you can see it's locked. If you have a toddler, it will not be locked for long, so be careful. But, and just to let the nice breeze come in. But, not all rooms are created equal, and I have no complaints. Everybody here is super nice and super friendly. You come out here, you can see the other part of the lodge. But then you have these down here, which are quite loud. Like, very loud. Obviously, every hotel has to have these, or big property like this, so that's going to exist. Again, no complaints whatsoever. It's just, what are you going to do, not make this a room? But yeah, that's like the only minor little thing. But again, this is Sandusky, Ohio, Great Wolf Lodge. We literally just checked in. So I have not experienced the entire property. Oh, and this is what I was going to show you too. This is where you control. At first I thought it was broken, but this is where you control the air or the heat right here. But yeah, I think that so far it's beautiful. It's breathtaking. The property is gorgeous. Everybody we've encountered so far has been super, super nice. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. However, like I say in all my videos, I wish they were. Thanks for watching.